Hey, this is Taylor at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to take some time and look at this 2015 Ford F550. It's a 6.7 power stroke diesel, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It is equipped with 4-wheel drive, has just under 111,000 miles. It's 110, 800 and some change. 11-foot Pal Pro mechanics body with a Palfinger 4329 crane. That's an 8,000 pound maximum lifting capacity, and a 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 30 feet of reach. Has hydraulic outriggers. Does have a full lube skid in the bed as well. So you have all your waste oil reels, fresh oil reels, and then waste oil tank and 3 fresh tanks inside of the bed. Set of drawers in the driver 1 compartment, a little Miller bluestar welder, and a hydraulic air compressor. So pretty much fully equipped. Has everything that you would need. Those reels are externally mounted, so you could take the tank and the reels off if you did not need them. Now, the goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So I'm going to take some time. In the first half of the video, we'll go around the exterior of the truck. I'll point out any cosmetic imperfections that I see. We'll look inside all the bins, as well as at the undercarriage of the truck. In the second half of the video, we'll go through the operation of all of the equipment. We'll run the crane, the compressor, we'll do a cold start and a drive down the cul-de-sac here. Now, this was a one-owner fleet-owned truck, and it did come locally out of Virginia. We did a lot of service work prior to offering this truck for sale, fixed a lot of oil leaks, upper oil pan, injector seals, some suspension work, but the truck is turnkey and ready to work. If you'd like copies of all the service just completed, just let me know and I can send those over to you. You have some paint chipping here along the edge of the door, some scratches in the center of the door as well, right in the middle, and then some more down here towards the bottom. It's an XL work truck trim with vinyl seats, rubber floors, power locks and windows, cruise control. The interior is free of any rips or tears. Some staining up in the headliner. A couple more paint chips there in the driver's side fender. Does have new drive tires on it as well. These are Falcon drive tires. Little broken trim piece there along the bottom of the bumper. We can just pull that off. Another paint chip here over the driver headlight. Two small dings here on the passenger side of the front bumper. Couple dings in the center of the hood. Really hard to see in this video. You can see that one there. There's 2 more here and here that, again, you can't really see in the video. Well, kind of caught it in the light there for a second. Some light scratching along the side of the hood as well. Again, my goal is to be as transparent and thorough as possible. So if you need any more up-close pictures or videos of anything that we look at, or if you have any questions, just let me know. I want everything on the truck to be presented just like you were here looking at it yourself. So let me know if you need any more info. A couple more scratches here, all along that same center section of the door, as well as down there along the bottom of the door. Rock chips along the front of the service body. Now again, this is a Palfinger Pal Pro 11-foot service body. You have your tall torch cabinet here on the passenger 1 and passenger 2 compartments. All these doors close, latch, lock, and seal as they should. All the latches are keyed the same way. The inside of the bins are clean and free of any rust. Couple sets of shelves here along the left-hand side, and obviously on the right-hand side is your spot to store your torch bottles. Over here in the passenger 2, a couple more sets of shelves here. Most of the shelves do have dividers in them as well. Have the interior tabs so you can relocate the height of these shelves, move them up or down, put them anywhere you like. Thing here in the service body compartment. A little bit of surface rust there on that drip rail edge. Passenger wheel well has one shelf inside of it. A little bit of paint wore off right there along that bottom edge. Some more surface rust and paint peel along the bottom edge of this compartment. Couple chips here. This is your crane compartment. So you have your body controller. This controls all the lighting as well as the compressor. Outrigger control levers there. Railcraft air hose reel, air regulator and dryer. Control panel for the air-powered pumps for your waste and fresh oils. Again, the crane side outrigger is hydraulic extension. The non-crane side is just hydraulic up and down. Little pass-through bumper compartment here in the rear. Some bed liner peeling on the work steps on the rear of the bumper. Some wear along the tailgate here, just a lot of paint deterioration all over the tailgate. E-track inside the bed, and some areas where the bed liner is peeled up inside the bed as well. Couple more chips there along the bottom side of this driver rear door. 2 sets of shelves. Paint deterioration there around the diesel fill cap. Some more of that same scratching that's on the driver's side. Passenger side door right here. One shelf over the driver's side wheel well. We do have a new latch cylinder ordered for this. It just hasn't come in yet. That's the only latch cylinder that was missing, but we got the same one to match all the other cylinders. 2 more little chips there. And just some scratches along the edge of that door. A little scratch there and a little chip there as well. More shelving here in the driver 2. 3 total sets of shelves. Lots of good storage in this bed. I mean, every compartment basically has shelves in it, and then a full set of drawers over here in the driver 1 compartment. That about wraps up the cosmetic portion of the video. Again, if you have any questions or need any additional photos, videos, or information, just call or text 804-716-8487. I'm gonna hop in the truck and take it for a quick spin. And when I get back, we'll look at the engine and run all the equipment on the truck. 110,872 on the miles. Looks like I need to have my detailer hit this that cluster glass one more time. $84.05 engine hours, 52.36 idle hours. Again, it's a 6.7 diesel, automatic transmission, and equipped with 4-wheel drive. Brakes feel good, rides nice and smooth down the road, tracks straight and shifts through the gears as it should. I'm going to back it into its spot and then we'll look at the engine. PTO is on, parking brake is set, the truck idles itself up. Outrigger controls are in this back compartment here. The crane is run off a factory wireless remote, fully proportional, so however hard you push the button right here is how fast the crane will operate. Again, it's an 8,000 pound capacity, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 30 feet of maximum reach. Really smooth operation across all the functions on the crane. I'm gonna swing it around here. I'm gonna let it down and then I'll unhook the pulley block and we'll run it out all the way to its full extension of 30 feet. Again, if you just barely push the button, you can really ease it and slow down, but full speed is pretty fast on this crane. That is fully extended out, again 30 feet of reach. Inner boom is nice and clean down both sides. Lots of thickness left in those wear pads for the boom extensions. Now to turn the compressor on, you just flip this to the right here. Hey, thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. Once again, it's a 2015 Ford F550, 6.7 power stroke diesel, 110,000 miles, four-wheel drive, 8,000 pound crane with a 30-foot reach. If you have any questions or if you need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. This truck is offered for sale by Truck World RVA. This is all I buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, reach out anytime. I have different sizes, configurations, makes and models. Always have more stuff coming in, so let me know if there's something you're looking for and I'd be glad to help. Thanks a lot.